Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup in Minecraft. Making soup is a fantastic way to restore your hunger quickly and efficiently. We'll start by gathering the essential ingredients you'll need for your culinary adventure. First, you'll want to find some mushrooms, either red or brown, as they are key for a basic stew. Let's get started on crafting your first delicious meal. Before you can make any soup, you'll need a bowl. To craft a wooden bowl, simply place 3 wooden planks in a V-shape on your crafting table. Once you have your bowl, you can make a simple mushroom stew. Place 1 red mushroom, 1 brown mushroom, and your newly crafted bowl into the crafting grid. This will yield a hearty mushroom stew, perfect for a quick hunger boost. For a more substantial meal, consider making rabbit stew. This recipe is a bit more involved but offers greater hunger saturation. You'll need 1 cooked rabbit, 1 carrot, 1 baked potato, and any single mushroom. First, cook your raw rabbit in a furnace. Then, combine the cooked rabbit, carrot, baked potato, mushroom, and a bowl in your crafting grid to create a delicious and filling rabbit stew. Once your soup is crafted, it's time to enjoy your meal. To consume your soup, simply hold it in your hand and right-click. Mushroom stew is a great option, restoring 6 hunger points and 2 saturation. For even more sustenance, rabbit stew provides 10 hunger points and 12 saturation. Remember, an empty bowl will remain after consumption, which you can reuse for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.